story of three students, Lallu, Tillu and Kallu. Tillu is a brilliant student. Tillu knows the beauty of modulus function. What? He knows that this minus 2 plus 2 cancel, root 3 plus root 3, 2 root 3. Now pause the video and think who is correct. Okay students, so my name is Kushagra and today I am very excited to tell you about the story of three students, Lallu, Tillu and Kallu. Now what happened 2 years back, I asked a question to these three students. The question that I was asked that find the value of 7 minus 4 root 3 to the square root plus 7 plus 4 root 3 to the square root. Now what Lallu answered, look at the solution of Lallu. Lallu what did? First Lallu made this as a perfect square. 7 minus 4 root 3 he did as a perfect square as 2 square plus root 3 square minus 2 into 2 into root 3 as a perfect square. 2 minus root 3 to the whole square. And also he made this as a perfect square. 2 plus root 3 to the whole square. Okay. Then what he did? He thought this square and square root will cancel. Okay. Now only 2 minus root 3 remains. And in the same way here, this square and square root will cancel and 2 plus root 3 will be same here. He thought that like that. And the answer that he found that 2 plus root 4. Okay, now what Kallu's answer? What Kallu answer did? Okay, Kallu's answer is again he did the same. What he did? He did same, the perfect square. He made the perfect square. He made root 3 minus whole square, root 3 minus 2 whole square, and this as root 3 plus 2 whole square. And after he also thought the same. This square and square will cancel, root 3 minus 2, and this square and square root will be cancelled, root 3 plus 2 will remain, and this minus 2 plus 2 cancel, root 3 plus root 3, 2 root 3. Now pause the video and think who is correct, Lallu's answer or Kallu's answer. Tell me who is correct. Okay, done. Okay, you will wonder to hear that both of them were wrong. Both the solutions are wrong. This and this both are wrong. Lallu and Kallu both are wrong. Now we had one brilliant student named Tillu. What Tillu did? You can see here, Tillu's answer was, Tillu is a brilliant student. Tillu knows the beauty of modulus function. What? He knows that the model, if we take the square root of x square, it will be mod of x. The square root of x square will be mod of x. This is the beauty of modulus function, important property. Now here, and also Tillu knows that when any quantity inside the modulus is non-negative, then it comes out as it is. But if any quantity inside the modulus is negative, it comes with the negative sign. Like inside the modulus there is a negative quantity, there is a negative number, then it will come with negative sign, minus of minus 2. It will be plus 2. And when the quantity inside the modulus is plus, like 3, then it comes as it is, like 3. So here, according to this property, what Tillu did, modulus of x square is mod of x. So it comes with mod, root 3 minus 2 with mod, and plus this root 3 plus 2 with modulus. And the quantity inside this modulus, we will check whether it is positive or negative. So we can see that root 3 is nearly 1.732 and 2 is 2. So 1.732 minus 2. So this will comes out to be negative. So the quantity inside this modulus is negative. This is negative. 1.732 minus 2, negative. So when the quantity inside the modulus is negative, then it comes with negative sign. It means this value will be minus of. It comes out with negative sign. Because this is negative, quantity inside the modulus is negative, it comes out with negative sign. And this, the quantity inside this modulus is positive, so it comes out with same as it is, root 3 plus 2. It comes out as it is because this quantity is positive. Now here we can see that the answer is minus root 3 minus plus 2 plus root 3 plus 2, and minus root 3 plus root 3 cancel. The answer will be 4. So 4 is the correct answer. 4 is correct answer. And this is the correct approach to solve this question. Thank you.